watching this video about microwaving a steak. I'm gonna take this T-bone and I'm gonna try it. You get it wet, supposedly, with water after you season it. You wrap it in a paper towel, you throw it in the microwave for 3 minutes. It's supposed to come out perfect. Let's try it, shall we? Got it on 3 minutes in the paper towel. Stay tuned. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, the 3-minute hack did not work unless you like it bloody. So I'm gonna throw it in the oven and finish it off. Went ahead and threw it in the frying pan for a little bit and finish it off. Anyway, won't do the microwave thing no more. We'll stick to the grill.